Yes. Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to 9th and 10th channel of BYJU'S. I'm the teacher Ankita and I welcome you all in today's class. I hope that all of you are doing great and I hope that all of you are ready for today's class. So before we start our class everyone, do let me know in the comment section below if I'm clearly audible and visible. And as you can see from the topic that today we will be discussing about a very important membrane, right? Something happened everyone, don't worry. Yes, here we are. Right? Good evening everyone, good evening, welcome. Good evening everyone, hello to each one of you. I'm good, thank you for asking. I hope that I'm clearly audible and visible. Good evening. Yes, I can see so many of you are new here. I welcome everyone over here, especially to new students. Welcome to the class. It could be that we are meeting for the very first time. My name is Ankita and I teach biology and SST on this channel. Good evening everyone. Good evening. I can see many of you are asking how was your trip. My trip was good. Everyone, I have a surprise for you. In this week, I'm not telling you which date, but this week only we will be discussing about the historical importance, right, of the civilization, of the monuments, right, which will be based on the trip. So, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that all of us can discuss more about it. Yes, okay? Okay, so we will be having a separate session for that. I want all of you to focus on biology today. Right, and we will be discussing about the history part of it later. It's a promise, okay? Good evening everyone, good evening, welcome to the class. Yes, you will be getting the notes right after each and every class. For all of you who are new here, just letting you know that please join our Telegram group. After each and every class, we provide you the notes over there. Yes, okay, I can see the excitement in the class. I can see many friends, ma'am, SST session kab start hoga? This week, everyone, you know that we will be starting the session, right? Of course, we will be sharing the schedule is already up there on the channel, right? Go through it and of course, we'll be having the classes. Yes! Okay, a quick thumbs up, everyone, or a smiley in the chat and do let me know if everything is fine and we'll start our class in 30 seconds. Come on. I want to see the Josh, everyone. See, I hope that all of your Josh is really super high because see, I am really very energetic today. I'm teaching you after a long time, right? So it's good that all of you are here. I can see the Josh. So everyone, what we have today is a very interesting topic, which is the cell membrane, right? Cell membrane, we will be discussing about the structure and the function of it, right? We will be taking a look at it and we'll try to understand with the help of some activities that we have planned for you. So let's get started everyone. In the last class, right, where you had the introduction of the chapter, right, Ashwara ma'am dealt with what is a cell. We call them as a fundamental building blocks, right, structural and the functional unit of the life. They make the tissues, organs, organ system, etc. And of course we know. And we'll be learning more about it. In the last class, you studied about the cell, right? You studied about the discovery of it, right? The cell theory and unicellular and multicellular organism. Quick thumbs up, everyone. I hope that you remember all of this, right? Yes. Awesome. I can see. I remember you all, my old student. Yes. Arey baatein karenge. We will have our chit chat also, baatein bilkul hongi, but let's focus on the bio part of it. Very good. I can see all of you remember, right? So we know that we saw the discovery of the cell by Robert Hooke, right, in the year 1665. Then of course, that was a dead cell, of course, Anthony Leeuwenhoek, right? We know about that. He discovered the living cell, right? And then we of course moved ahead. We discussed about the cell theory, 3 important postulates of the cell theory given by Sheldon Swan and Rudolph, right? So all of these become super important. And then of course you discussed about the unicellular and the multicellular organism. So this is fine, right? This is all fine. Now when we talk about the cell, if you go back to class 8th everyone, I'm sure all of you remember this. we have discussed about the nucleus, cytoplasm and cell membrane, right? When we talk about the cell as such, we talk about the nucleus, we talk about the cytoplasm and the cell membrane. Yes? Agree? Very good. Yes, I can see. Yes, ma'am, we do. Yes, you remember. And this year class 8 doesn't have the cell chapter, but you are very lucky class 9th grade that you have studied this, so your foundation is super clear. Yes, I can see the smileys and awesome everyone. I just feel super happy to be back and teaching all of you amazing students out here. Very good. Yes. So we know basic the components, right, that we have. We have the nucleus, cytoplasm and the cell membrane. Now in today's class we'll be focusing on the cell membrane itself, and let's get started. Now before we start, right, before we move ahead, I want you to observe this image. See, I'll just move aside. Everyone, look at the screen. Come on everyone, look at the screen. What do you see over here? Of course, if you remember, sir, right, is Pulkit sir. He is the one who works with the maths team, everyone. Yes, everyone, can you help me to understand what is happening over here? Yes, very good. Okay, very good, very good. Some of you are saying, ma'am, I'm speaking really very fast. I'm super excited. Yeah, I'll reduce the speed, right? So, my name is Ankita. Yes, very good, Disha. We can clearly see over here that the person, right, Pulkit sir, is standing at the gate. Of course, we can see there's a fingerprint matrix which actually allow the persons to move inside, right? Of course, we have outside and inside. Now, can we relate this to the function of the cell membrane? I'm just giving you a little bit hint because we already have an understanding about what is a major function of the cell membrane. Everyone, quickly. Yes, he is planning to go inside, right? He is moving inside. And we can see two sides of it. We have the outside and the inside. Very good, everyone. Very good. I can see the answers. Very good. Yes, cell membrane or the cell membrane is selectively permeable, or it is semi-permeable, which means that it will allow only the few molecules to move in and out. Or we can say that cell membrane acts as a barrier, right? It will actually not allow anything to just move inside. It has to cross through the cell membrane, right? We agree to that. Very good, semi-permeable, like a gate of the cell. Absolutely correct, everyone. Like a gate of the cell. So yeah, of course, thank you so much. We are getting something for you. Yeah. Okay. Great. So now that we are clear with this, let's understand. I want you to observe. Just observe this. Not the helium balloon today. Not the helium balloon, but yeah, something. Yeah, something with the balloon. Yes, I am really excited. Everyone, so look over here. What we can see. Right? I want you to observe this. Right? In our textbook also we have a similar image. Not exactly very similar, but yeah, a kind of helping us to understand about the structure. So see over here, everyone, what we have. Of course, I can see the answers. Cell membrane, some of you are saying bacteria. Interesting. Right? Layer of proteins and lipids. Awesome, everyone. What are the other answers I can see? Molecule, cell membrane, absolutely correct. Substance moving through it. We can see some of the answers as protein also. Yes. So let's discuss about the cell membrane, everyone. So as you know that everything has a history, right? Has a history. So cell membrane discovery also has a history. So let's understand, right? Of course, the history is very vast. We'll not be going into the highest of the details, but we will just look at the discoveries of it. So you know what? Very initially, when the scientists started studying about the cell, you know what they thought? That cell membrane is just nothing but a single layer. Like this. Seems like good, right? Yeah, it's history in biology. See, we have history everywhere. Discoveries, how the discoveries happen, everything. So we have it. Right? So initially, the scientists believed that we just have a single layer. Right? Later, of course, Few of them said, you know what, it could be double layer also. Okay, so that was the history. Single layer and we have the double layer of it. But eventually, with the understanding, with the technology, in the year 1970, excuse me, in the year 1970, two scientists, can you name the scientists, everyone? I'm sure you have heard about these scientists. Name. Right? Very good, very good. Science is literally everything is absolutely correct. Absolutely. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I can see some. We want the correct answer. Very good, Shraddha. Very good, Tenzin. Sorry, not Tenzin. Sorry, Shraddha. Come on, everyone. Very good, Aarti. Very good, Harshita. Very good, Neha. I can see few names now. Adiva. Ulma. Absolutely correct. Singer and Nicholson. These two scientists in the year 1970 discovered, or we would say that they actually gave the model for the cell membrane, which is called as fluid mosaic model. Okay, everyone? Remember this word because in your higher standard, if you are learning, if you are opting for biology, you will be learning about it. Right? And of course, according to this particular model, this is how the plasma membrane looks. We have phospholipids like this. And of course, we have some proteins, cholesterol, right, etc. things. Okay? Very good, very good. So everyone, can we quickly recall? Can we quickly recall? Yes, what you can't understand, please do write in the comment section. And I'm not ignoring anyone. It's a live class. So many of you are here, right? And I can't take the names. I cannot call out your names. If you have any doubts, write in the comment section. Not ignoring anyone, first of all. Okay, now let's quickly recap what we have studied. So we started our session with the cell membrane. We had a quick recap about the previous class, what you have studied, and we discussed about the cell membrane. We know that, right, the cell membrane act as a barrier. First of all, we are all clear that cell membrane act as the barrier, right? And all the molecules that needs to enter inside the cell has to cross the membrane. Agree? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, cell membrane is like a boundary. Absolutely correct. Please write your doubts. And if you have anything, please write over here. And please pay attention. I'm revising it again. So we have discussed, right? We have discussed about it that cell membrane act as a barrier or a boundary that will allow the molecules to enter through it. Okay, not everything can go inside the cell. The discovery of the cell, you're talking about the discovery of the fluid mosaic model. So again, we had a history which started long back in 1929 and ahead of that, where of course the scientists were working on the structure of it, whether it could be a single membrane or it could be a double membrane, right? And eventually with the research and with the technology, in the year 1970, Singer and Nicholson gave us a fluid mosaic model, which is over here, which is a bilipid layer. Everyone, are we clear? Yes. Are we clear? See over here. I'm writing, you can note down this, everyone. In 1970, this structure, basically we can say they formulated this by the two scientists, Nicholson and Singer. Okay? Everyone, are we clear? We will discuss about what is lipid, what is phospholipid. I can see a lot of questions, but give me some time. We will be moving from here. But everyone, are we clear up to here? A quick thumbs up. Awesome. Everyone will be doing a lot of activities, so don't worry. We will be breaking down the concepts really very easily. We will be understanding all of this the BYJU'S way, everyone. We always tell you, right, that we here at BYJU'S believe in learning all the things, but doing some activities activities, right? That's our way of learning. So of course we have a lot of activities. This is the first thing that we have discussed. So quick thumbs up, are we clear with this? Yes. Don't worry about the results. Very good, very good. We will discuss about the cell wall also, but in a minute. Okay, very good. So we are clear with this. The structure that you see over here, everyone. Again, I'm moving aside. Those of you have any doubts, please take a screenshot of this. See over here, what we have is the cell membrane. Can you see this is the cell membrane? Cell membrane is present in the animal cell as well as the plant cell. But in animal cell, it's the last, or we can say the boundary, right, inside which we have all the cellular content. Clear? I can see a lot of questions. Selectively permeable thing. Please give me some time. We will be discussing all of it in a minute. Easy peasy. Good. Awesome. Cell membrane is a double membrane or a single membrane? We will come to that. Yes, very good, very good. So everyone, are we clear with this? Quick thumbs up, right? Very good, everyone. So, of course, when we talk about the fluid mosaic model, right, we can understand that it has phospholipids, right? Of course, it has proteins, it has carbohydrates. All of these things comes together and make this beautiful structure. Now, we will be looking at each of these components individually, okay? Fluid mosaic model. Achha, I'm sure you have seen those boxes like this, right? Yes, several molecules are there. They're constantly moving. See, I cannot have the GIF because it was a little bit too much over here. But on the internet, you can search, right? The color will be changing. It's kind of a moving always, right? It's kind of a moving. See, that's what we have. The plasma membrane is not a very stable membrane. Oh, it's not like this. It's keep on moving, right? So fluid is there, mosaic, the wave pattern or the constant movement pattern that happens, that model is the fluid mosaic model. Are we clear? Yes, are we clear? Synthesis means to make, absolutely correct. I can see you are asking him what is fluid mosaic model. So FMM, right? Fluid mosaic model. Basically, it's nothing but the structure which was proposed by the two scientists, right? And they said that the plasma membrane has a fluid structure. It's not a solid structure. See everyone. See, this is a solid structure, right? See over here. Everyone, yes, Priya, explaining it again. See over here, can you see this is a solid structure? Yes or no? See, this is a solid structure. Yes? Fluid mosaic model. Rakesh, for you. Right, this is a solid structure. Discovery with Gauri. Please, if you have to write your doubts, bache. Right? Now, let me ask you something. Do you think it's a solid structure? See, if I keep on moving this balloon, do you think that this will not move? Right? It will move, right? Yes or no? See, it's not a stable, this is not a stable structure. See, it is moving, right? But in a case of this water bottle, it is very solid, right? It's super solid. Even if I'm pressing it really very hard, it will not be changing its shape. Whereas we have this balloon, right? And if I move this balloon, see, we can see the change in shape. So, according to the scientists, right? According to the scientists, the cell membrane is something like this. It has a fluid inside, right? And of course, it's keep on moving. Yes, everyone? So, are we clear that why we call it as a fluid mosaic model? Everyone, are we clear? Yes, protein synthesis. We will talk about that later. Just give me some time. We will discuss that later. Awesome. So we are clear, right? Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now, just for all of you, I can see many of you have just joined. For the one last time, everyone, let's pay attention. Right? And let me just explain you. Everyone focus over here and you can put the chat for some time. Abhi don't chat for here, okay? Don't chat for some time and just focus over here. So we are discussing about the cell membrane and we are looking at the latest model that we have as we all studied. This model was formulated in the year 1970 by two scientists, right? We have Singer and Nicholson. They made, right? They formulated the structure. They studied it and according to them, they gave us that the plasma membrane, the cell membrane that we have is bi-layer, right? It has two layers. It has phospholipids, it has proteins, it has cholesterol, right? It has carbohydrate, right? And that particular model is called as fluid mosaic model. Are we clear up to here? I have revised it, right? I have revised it a lot, right? Please everyone, quick thumbs up. Good, very good. We will discuss about that. Are we clear? Let's take step by step. Step by step. Very good, very good. Awesome. Very good, everyone. Awesome that you are clear with this. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let's discuss about the structure and let's go into the detail. Okay, now everyone look over here. I have something really very special for you. Yes, we don't have Menti today, right? We are focusing on the class. Come on everyone. Okay, it's okay. Shifa, if you have any doubt, please make sure you write the doubts that you are asking. Please make sure you are asking your doubts properly. See everyone what we have over here, right? We posted a picture also. Ta-da! See, this is how the cell membrane we have, right? Can you see over here everyone? See, these, right, are the phospho. Now, and what do you see, the thread-like structure? Many of you are asking, ma'am, what is that hair-like present on the membrane, right? What are these thread-like structures? Happy birthday to cell membrane. Nice. So everyone see, these thread-like structures are the lipids, okay? Now, of course, there's one thing I want you to observe. Yes, tell me everyone, can you see this? On both the sides, right, on both the sides, we have these balloons and inside we have the thread-like structure. Everyone, I hope that you're enjoying this. Are you clear? Yes, awesome. Yes, it's a BYJU'S way of learning, everyone. At BYJU'S we learn like this. So, now we are clear that these are the phospho, right? These are the lipids, okay? But if you look at the positioning of them, you can see that we have two ends, right? There is hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Acha, hydrophobic means phobic. What is the meaning of phobic? Think about it everyone. What is the meaning of phobic? I have a phobia of spiders. I have a phobia of height, fear. Absolutely correct. So these lipids, right, they have a fear of water. So they are hydrophobic. We'll remember like this everyone. Okay. See, I'm sure many of us are excellent swimmers. But I'm sure there will be few of us who doesn't like water that much, right? And they feel that, okay, yeah, I don't want to do it. It's not safe. So, okay, these are the, right, they are kind of scared of the water, so they are hydrophobic and hydrophilic, right? They are happy with the water and the surrounding. They are happy in getting in touch, right, getting in contact with the water and the fluids, whereas these are not that happy. So everyone, are we clear? Hydrophobic and hydrophilic, yes or no? Phobic means yes, phobia, fear. So these balloons over here represents the hydrophilic, okay, the phospho. Basically they are not afraid of the fluid part, okay, whereas these are the hydrophilic, these are the lipids, and of course they are the one that don't enjoy water that much. So we have bilayer. See over here, we have two layers. Then everyone, can I show you something? We have proteins also, right? We have proteins also. Yes, very good. 1 minute, yes, we will after some time. Yes, everyone, see what I'm doing, this is a protein, and because on our cell membrane we have the proteins also. Yes, see here and there I'm just adding the proteins, some carbohydrates, just making sure this looks beautiful. And of course we have the cholesterol also. Nice, right? Such an interesting thing we have, everyone. See, look at the structure. Just imagine how all of it is created, right? And this keeps all of us, right? Be it a single cellular organism or multicellular, super active. Ta-da! See over here. Ta-da, everyone! It could be your school project also. Yes. Haha, it's just fall. Okay. Yes, everyone, this is how it should be. Everyone, are we clear with this? Yes. Everyone, let's just stay focused. So we have the phospholipids. This big one in the center over here is a protein. We have the carbohydrates, right? And let me just show you. This balloon is acting a little bit weird, but yeah. Can you see this? This is a cholesterol, okay? So everyone, you can take a picture of this. You can actually make this in your school project, right? That will be an amazing thing. So that's how we can say that we will see the movements happening. Now we'll keep this with us so that we can study from it. Okay. Very good. Yes, absolutely. Now let's discuss about the things, everyone, that we have over here. See, can we discuss about this? Yes, now, what are this? Right? See, this, what is this? This is the lipids. Now, I'm sure many of you already know what are lipids. Yes, what are lipids? Yes, everyone, come on. We'll not call them at fat together, right? Now, what are they? They are basically the fatty compounds, right? And they have lots of function. Yes, they have fats also, they have wax also, they have a lot of things. Yes, they have so many things and they play a very important role. They play a super important role. So many of you are asking, ma'am, what are fatty acids? You only tell me. Now we have discussed. Yes, very good. I can see a lot of answers. Very good, everyone. Very good, very good. Yes, they are different, they are different. Yes, it do contains fat, but not only the fat, right? So we can say that, yeah, they have the other things also. Yes, but again, everyone, see, when we talk about the phospholipid as in general, we have definitely the, right, we have the lipids, which have the fats, right? They have the wax also, they have the oils also. So all of these, right, of course we call it as a different types of lipids altogether, and of course we have few over here in the cell membrane. Clear? Then what we have over here, clear, everyone? Yes, I'm coming to that. So are we clear with the lipids? Everyone, come on. I can see many of you are excited. Many of you are saying that you got it. There are a few of you who have confusion. Everyone, see, you will be learning great detail in your higher classes. In this class, we have to stick to the basics, right? Good, I can see a lot of thumbs up. Awesome. Okay, I'm repeating it again for all of you who have a little bit doubt. So, of course, we have this as a phospho. Okay, phospholipid. So, this is phospho. The red balloon that you see over here is a phospho. So, of course, it has the nitrogenous base, right? Now, nitrogenous base again, everyone, we have in the DNA, RNA, right? Of course, we have those nitrogenous bases. Now, we have alcohol also over here. And then we have the lipids. Now, these are the lipids that we have over here. Yes, these are the two different things. Phospholipids. Two separate things, everyone. Are we clear with this? We can say that they're two different compounds and they're clubbed together. Okay? Clear? Thumbs up, everyone. Come on, come on. I can see few of you are talking. Let's just stay focused, everyone. Excuse me. Yes. Very good. Very good, everyone. I'll be giving you homeworks. Everyone, please pay attention. Yes. So, of course, the phospholipid contains lipids. They have the alcohol. They have the phosphate group. They have the fatty acids. All of it will make, right, the phospholipid. So, we have this phospholipid. This structure is the phospholipid structure. Okay. When we look closer, right, we can see that we have this structure which is bilayer. It has two layers. One layer over here. You can see this, and we have two layers. So everyone, write in the comment section how many layers, right, we have in the cell membrane. How many lipids bilayer we have? Jaldi, jaldi. Always remember, lipid bilayer. Bi means two. That means that we have two structures, right? Two layers of it. One over here and one over here. It's very, very crucial, everyone. Super important for us to understand that plasma membrane has bilayer. Okay? Good. Very good. If you're clear with this, then you are sorted. For the first part, right? The main part is over here. Now, the phospholipids plays a very important role, right? And they make sure the movement happening between outside and inside the cell are smooth enough. Okay? Yes, Avni, DNA is present in the nucleolus, spread across. Okay? Okay. That's very good, everyone. Okay. Now, let me ask you a question also. A homework question, everyone. Please note this down. It's a sudden question that I just remember. How many of you have talked about or have listened about the vitamins? Yes? Okay, I'll tell you about the roles. Jayavati, I can't see your message. Can we just go up? Ha. Okay, it's how. Yeah, I got it. Thank you, Ranjit sir. Yes, everyone, tell me quickly. Very good, very good. Right, so we have studied about the vitamins, right? And of course, we have studied that few of them are soluble in water and few of them are insoluble in water. The insoluble one, everyone, right, have lipids. Just giving you an extra information. Right, these actually help in absorbing, movement, etc. So please make sure to read more about the vitamins, which of them are soluble and which of them are insoluble in water. Okay, it's an extra information, everyone. This is an extra information because you know what? Yeah, it's always good to learn something extra, to have extra knowledge. Interesting, right? Okay, now I can see many of you are asking what is the role of the lipids in phospho. Right? Everyone, phospholipids, right? They are the one that actually help in allowing the molecules to move in and out of the cell. Easy peasy, right? See over here. This is the whole structure, right? So basically, they are the one that will make sure to provide a proper protection. It acts as a barrier, very strong, right? And of course, the movement that will be happening will play a very important role over there. Proteins are there, right? And they give us a very flexible structure to the cell. Clear? Jhalak, you talk about it. Do you think fat is soluble or insoluble? Good, very good. So I hope that you got the answer. Okay. Everyone, are we clear? Come on. See, it's almost time. right? It's almost time. For the last time, everyone, we will be moving ahead. Let's just quickly talk about what is phospholipid layer. I can see there are a lot of confusion over here. Fluid mosaic model. What? This is a model. This is the something that the scientists gave. They said that it is a bilipid layer, right? This is how the model is. I hope this is clear, right? This model is called as fluid mosaic model. Everyone, are we clear? Yes. We have lipids, right? And we have phospholipids. So basically together we have the phospholipids. Both of these are two different compounds, right? They come together, right? They come together. Phospho has a phosphate group, right? And you will be learning more about it. Lipids, of course, has the fatty acids, right? Wax, oil, etc. They have a separate category, right? When they come together, they make sure that there is a fluidity, right? And of course, they made sure that the plasma membrane ka whole, the cell structure, the outside structure is very flexible, right? And they definitely help in the movements of the molecules also. Clear? No, the tails are not attached. They are not attached. They're just floating like this. Clear, clear, clear. Thumbs up, everyone. Please make sure you hit the like button for the video. Adiva, let's just focus. Very good. Jayavanti, there is no difference, bache. Fluid mosaic model is a name which was given by the scientist to these, basically to the structure that they have formulated. Nivedita, I think the timetable is out there. Good. Azad, yes, they are like floating. Okay, so we are clear with this. Now let's talk about the proteins, everyone. Okay, we have membrane protein. Now these protein actually help in communicating and maintaining the shape, right? And they plays a very important role in the transportation. See everyone, how many of you will agree? Man, protein are the building block, right? We have studied this. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So proteins are the structure, right? Protein are the structure of it. They plays a very important role in the communication of it. We all know that ER make proteins. Class 8 we have studied, right? ER make protein. Now these protein will go to the Golgi apparatus. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, of course, we call cell as a building block, but protein is very, very important, right? So, ER make proteins, protein goes to the Golgi apparatus, they modify over there, packaging happens, and it goes to the plasma membrane and to different part of the cell. So, this protein are also here on the plasma membrane, and they actually help in communication, maintenance of the cell membrane, right? They play a super, super important role in the transportation also. Yes? Ayush class, bache hopefully will be able to finish by 7:10, 7:05. Good, very good. Yes, ER is the endoplasmic reticulum. We have studied in class 8. Good. Yes, protein is made by the ER. Yes, everyone. Those of you who have doubt, you can watch the videos on 6th, 7th and 8th channel where we have discussed about the cell. GA is the Golgi apparatus, bache. Golgi apparatus of the Golgi bodies. Okay. Now, are we clear with this? Good. Are we clear with this? Very good. GA is the Golgi apparatus. Absolutely correct, Jayavati. Very good, very good. Clear, clear, clear. So we are clear with the phospholipids. We are clear with the proteins. Now everyone, we have the cholesterol also. Is a key important player, we would say. It's super important, cholesterol, which is there in, of course, in a small quantity, right? And this plays a very, very important role in stabilizing the structure of the cell membrane. Clear? Yes. So everyone, this is about the structure, I would say, right? Now let's talk about the function. Clear? Now I can see you're asking about all the organelles. Everyone, we will be discussing all the organelles, but we will be going slow by slow, right? Step by step. And in today's class, we'll be just focusing on the cell membrane. Good. Now everyone, let's do an activity, right? Let's understand the function of it. So the small function, of course, we know that we have all the content inside the cell membrane. See everyone? So you see what we did. See, can you see? Okay, here's a balloon, right? Here's a balloon. And of course, we have added those balls, right? That we usually add in the balloons for the decoration. Yes, I'll do something with it. Yes, bouncy balloon, absolutely. So, we know that the cell membrane acts as a boundary. It gives a boundary, right? And of course, it just makes sure that everything is intact. Let me ask you a question which is usually asked in the examination. Everyone, what will happen if there's a damage to the cell membrane? Yes, come on, come on, come on. What will happen? Play holy. Nice. Shrivam and Sahu, I think you had some difficulty in understanding. But I would request you to watch the session again. Don't worry, we will be having the classes where we will be dealing with the topic again. Don't worry. Yes? Okay, everyone, what will happen? What will happen if the cell membrane bursts or it's damaged? Come on, we will do an activity now. I have a few things over here. I hope that I don't spill the water. The components will get scattered, absolutely. I wish I can show you like this. Yeah, I can actually show you. But yeah, we have to be very careful. Okay, wait, we can have the black background. Tara tara everyone, cell will break. See, I don't know, but I'm super excited. Wait, we can move this a little bit far off from here. Yes, the tablet will break. No, what will happen? Yes, see over here, we have the balloon, right? And basically this, we are thinking that this red color, the outer surface, is the plasma membrane, right? And inside it we have the cell components. Just as you say that, boom, right? So let's try it out. Okay, I'm sure you will be able to see, but let's hopefully I don't break things. So everyone, I'm very scared. Boom, hog. Boom, everyone. Yeah, it happened. See, now I can show you this. I'll definitely post this picture right on the Telegram. So what will happen? We know this. This is very simple activity. But everyone, this activity actually tells us that so much can happen. So I'm taking a picture just for our record, and I'll share this picture with you on the Telegram, and I'll post it on the group also. Okay? Clear? So we know that plasma membrane holds everything together, right? Actually holds all the cell components inside. And if this plasma membrane got damaged, we know that everything will come out and cell will get damaged. So easy peasy. Yeah, we can have the tablet back. Yes, now we have to clear the mess. Yeah, see, we all understand this, right? Science has this side of it. Yeah, we all clear the mess. And if you know me, right, you know that I'm a person who loves to clean. Yes, it is saved. Okay, so are we clear, everyone? Are we clear with this? Come on, quick thumbs up. हाँ, मैं नहीं गिराऊंगी सौरभ सर की तरह. Yes, it's on. Okay, so everyone, are we clear? Jaldi se, are we clear? Okay, so what we have studied, let's quickly recall everyone, and we have one more activity and then we'll end the session. So, the cell membrane, of course, it's actually monitor what goes inside and what goes outside. It is very selectively permeable, right? It will not allow any molecule to move inside, and it will allow only few molecules to move inside. To understand that, everyone, we have an amazing video. So I will play the video, right? And I want all of you to focus over here. So can we have the video? Everyone, watch this video. everyone, you saw that? See, Tripti ma'am got the entry inside the building, right, of course. And when Pulkit sir came, right, it was not allowed to move inside. So similarly, our plasma membrane is also like that. It is very selective, you know. The plasma membrane is really very smart. Plasma membrane knows that what it needs, right? It will allow only the molecules which are the requirements, right, which are needed by the cells to move inside the cell. Rest, which is not important, will not be able to move inside the cell. So are we clear, everyone? Are we clear? Yes? Right? We have selective membrane. Selective membrane. Right? So it is selectively permeable membrane. That means that it will allow only entry and exit of few molecules. Bechare sir, sad life. Talking about the movement, everyone, we have different type. We have impermeable membrane, which we have in the... I'm not giving you the examples. I want you to write as a homework. We have selectively permeable and we have freely permeable. So impermeable means, I'll give you one example of each. Impermeable means plasma membrane will not allow anything to pass. Okay? No molecules will be able to pass. Skin is an example. Just giving you a small hint over here. Then we have selectively permeable membrane, which of course we have in our cells. Then freely permeable, all the molecules will be able to move. Everyone, the answer lies in the word itself. Impermeable, selective permeable and freely permeable. Are we clear? Are we clear? Shivanshi noted your point, we'll discuss it. Yes, come on everyone. Are we clear with this? Cell theory pe bachcha, I'll answer your question. Give me some time. Okay, I can see. Good. Example of free permeable, we have it in the plant cell. Ma'am, this is something like cell cancer. We'll discuss about it, Astha. It's a very interesting topic. Right, we'll discuss it. Very good. Impermeable means that it will not allow any molecules to pass through it. Now, there are two things, everyone. So, we are clear with this. That our plasma membrane is selectively permeable, right? Now there are two words which comes to us again and again. Semi-permeable and selectively permeable. What is the meaning, everyone? Selectively permeable means it will be selecting the molecules. Semi means not permeable for everything. See, if we look in a very broader language, both are the same. We use semi-permeable and selectively permeable for the cell membrane. But the difference is that selective word is there. Selective means we are selecting, right? Semi means what? Semi means half and half. Only half molecules can go and half molecules will not go. So if you look at the broader definition of these, we can say both of these are same. We can use them to represent the cell membrane, right? Various times, depending on what they are allowing as a movement, right, the particles, we might separate them as a different words. So, Harsimran, are we clear? Is plasma membrane is selective permeable or semi-permeable? We call it both, bache. Everyone, I'm sure you have heard about this. Later part, when you will be studying this in your higher studies, you will understand deeper meaning of this. But now, at this particular time, we call cell membrane, plasma membrane as selectively permeable or semi-permeable. Are we clear with this? Are we clear with this, everyone? I hope that you don't have doubt over here. Yes? Yes, everyone? Good. Awesome, awesome. Good. Okay. I have given you the examples. I'm just repeating few examples and I want you to write the answer in the homework question, everyone, the other examples. Impermeable is something that will not allow anything to pass, right? Like our skin, okay? Semi-permeable, selectively permeable, only selective molecules can move inside and out. Freely permeable, all the molecules can move inside out, like we have in the cell wall, okay? What will selectively permeable will allow? Again, if you go back, bache, over here, whatever molecules are important, for example, the cell needs glucose. It will allow the molecules to go, right? We need the carbohydrate, we need the oxygen, sodium ions, these small ions which are definitely important, will be able to pass. Clear? Freely permeable, absolutely. Thank you so much for helping out your friends over here. Yes, very good. Chaitanya, absolutely correct. Very good, very good. So everyone, I think with this, we have an understanding, right? We have an understanding. Let me answer this one final question. Ma'am, how they know that what they have to select? So let me ask you a question. For example, let's suppose you are standing at a gate, right? Right, you are standing at a gate and basically it's your room, right? You have a beautiful room and you have the gate. Now, random people wants to come and see your room because you have decorated your room beautifully, right? But you have your own preference, right? You will allow only few people to come inside your room and take a look at the beautiful decoration that you did. Maybe for the others you will not do because you don't want them. You don't find them that important. Similarly, the cell membrane knows what is important for the cell and what is not. So based upon the condition of the cell, what is actually need, the molecules will move in and out. Are we clear? Hello everyone. Priya, give me some time. We'll discuss about the homework. Yes. Hi Sohail. Good evening. Yes. Clear everyone? Are we clear that how it is super intelligent to be selective? What is intra? So there are few words that you will be learning. Intra means super inside. Yes, I can see now you're asking what is the meaning of intracellular. Excuse me. Yes, what do you think? Yes, what is the meaning of inter? Just let me ask you two questions. What is the meaning of inter and what is the meaning of intra? Yes. See, there are two words that we have to be, interconnected between two cells, we would say. Right? Intra is something inside the cell. Intracellular, inside the cell. Intercellular, between the cells. Are we clear? Harsimran, I can see her name. Chaitanya, I think you all are asking. Yes? Are we clear? Okay everyone, are we clear? Intra, right? Intra means inside the cell. Inside the cell. Okay? Inter means between the two cells. See over here? Right? So we have this. This is intercellular space, intracellular. Okay? Good. Oh, it's a very interesting question, Kavya Shri. Do we have a disease in cell? Yes, we do. Will not call them as disease per se, because if any functioning of the cell is changing, it will be causing eventually a disease. We'll discuss about it. It's a very interesting topic. Good. So everyone, with this, I would say that we have discussed about the cell membrane, right? We have gone into the details. We have studied about the cell membrane. It is selectively permeable. It's different structure, right? Sorry, different components altogether. Clear? Yes? In the next session, absolutely, we will be discussing about the function. We will be discussing about the transportation, how the transportation is happening inside the cell. So, before we leave everyone, I want you to answer this question really very quickly. Write examples of the freely permeable, semi-permeable and impermeable membranes. Along with that, write about the vitamins which are soluble vitamins and which are insoluble vitamins. Clear? All the best for your test. Ma'am, who controls all the function of the plants? Shikha, you have to wait for some time, right? Of course, the cells have the one center we have, as we all say, but we'll be learning more about the cells in the upcoming classes. Okay? So everyone, please make sure you write the answer to this question in the comment section below. We will be reading your comments and we'll be replying. After this class, everyone, at 7:15, we have an interesting quiz where we will be kind of looking at the bridging from 9th to 10th. Right? I can see so many of you are in class 10, so please make sure everyone, you join that quiz. It's a Menti quiz. You will have lots of fun over there, right? You'll be quickly recalling. Yes, thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. right? As we all say, we have got you covered. And I hope that you have enjoyed the class, everyone. Please make sure you hit the like button for the video, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I can understand that many of you might have joined the session a bit late. Don't worry, everyone, you can watch the session again, right, and you will be sorted. On that note, I'll say bye-bye to each one of you. We'll be meeting you tomorrow really very soon. Till that time, do take care of yourself and keep on learning with BYJU'S. Bye-bye, everyone. Lots of love. Bye.
Okay, next session.
Yeah, that is Menti full screen.
Make it full screen.
Haan.